In this video, I'm going to go through simple steps to have your skin looking as healthy as possible. I often have my patients asking me how to achieve younger looking skin. I think that over the last few years, having good skin has become overcomplicated a lot of the time. There's lots of new products on the market and it's hard to know which products are going to work and which ones have the best results. Number one, sun protection. You might be able to see in this image here of this lady who's used sun protection on her face but none on her neck. So the first non-negotiable is sun protection. The sun's rays are often the fastest way to having your skin age. They can cause everything from sunspots to wrinkles. The solution to this is simple yet effective, and that is applying broad spectrum sun protection. Watch my full video on sunscreen to have all the useful tips. There's lots of good evidence that sunscreen helps with skin aging. Number two, hydration inside and out. Hydration is also one of the cornerstones of having young looking skin. External moisturizers can be great in keeping your skin well hydrated, but often the best hydration is to make sure you've hydrated well from the inside. So the key is to make sure you're drinking enough water to keep your skin as well hydrated as it can be. And then number two, topping up by using the right moisturizers for your skin, especially ones that use hyaluronic acid. This helps keep your skin looking plump and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Number three, antioxidants are your skin's best friend. Antioxidants are your skin's shield against free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules in the environment which can cause skin aging. So don't forget to incorporate a diet which is rich in antioxidants, and don't forget to apply topical products with vitamin C and vitamin E to help fend off environmental damage. Number four, regular exfoliation. Using the right exfoliating products can help your skin look bright and radiant by getting rid and shedding the dead skin on the surface. You want to make sure you use the right exfoliant. You don't want to be damaging your skin barrier, so you want one which is not too harsh and suits your skin type. Common ones that people use are ones with salicylic acid or glycolic acid, but you want to make sure your skin barrier is preserved and you're not damaging your skin. So use the right amount and right strength for you to have the best exfoliation. For me, I use a salicylic acid gel regularly, a couple of times a week, to make sure my skin is well exfoliated. Number five, collagen and hyaluronic acid supplements. So again, we want to boost our skin's health from the inside to the out. Collagen peptides and hyaluronic acids are buzzwords in the beauty industry. More research and data is still coming out, but for some people, they can help boost the skin elasticity, hydration, as well as reduce wrinkles. Number six, retinol. Having a good nighttime routine can be crucial. Retinoids have been around for a while and we have really good evidence that they can help reduce wrinkles. Retinoids can help boost cell turnover as well as boost collagen production, so helping your skin look young and healthy. In order for retinoids to work well, you need to use the right strength and the right frequency for your skin type. Most people prefer to use them at night because they can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. My advice as a doctor is to start off at low strength every other night and then gradually increase the strength and increase the frequency. And there's also lots of different forms of it, so you might want to play around with gels or creams and using the one that's best for you. I usually think it's best to use a retinoid on its own so you know the exact strength and how much you're applying. And there you have it. These simple steps can keep your skin looking young and well hydrated. Write a comment below on how you keep your skin looking young and healthy. And if I can ask for a favor, it helps my channel to keep growing if you can click subscribe. Thank you for watching.